Hello everyone. So today I'm going to be showing you how to update your wallet details on My Cloud Clinic. You start by clicking on the three lines on your top left hand and then you click on Wallet. Once you click on Wallet, you can see information on your wallet. You can see your wallet balance, your book balance. You can also click on Hide so that you can hide your balance, and then you can see the withdrawal button, and then you can also see Set up withdrawal account. So if you want to update your wallet, you click on Set up withdrawal account and then you can click on Update here. With this you can select the bank name. You can select the bank name, the bank account number and the account name as well. And then it will be updated over here. And then from here, if you want to withdraw, all you need to do is to click on Withdraw, impute the amount of money that you want to withdraw, click on Withdraw, and then the money will automatically be credited into your wallet. Thank you very much. I hope this video was helpful. Bye.